So we've got tariffs, we've got interest rates, we've got sanctions, we've got all kinds of stuff going on. What does this mean for the dollar, and what does this mean for gold and silver? Let's take a look at what Drum Geometry has to say about this. The weekly is my time focus, and we can see that so far, this is silver, and the weekly went into congestion. This was a nice move up here, and the oncomings were lining up, and then we exhausted, came back down inside the envelope on this bar, and this week we closed down below, and we're in congestion on a weekly basis. On the daily chart, prices are moving lower in a pretty straight line there. PL dot's pushing lower, and you can see on the daily that this is the monthly envelope top that broke on close and held on close. Weekly envelope bottom held on close. So we're expecting prices to continue to move down a little bit lower, at least in silver. And where are they going to find support? On a monthly chart, we're in this area of a PL dot refresh zone. This is the live PL dot. This is a static PL dot for the monthly. And we're in that area right now. And there's a little bit more wiggle room to the downside. We'll keep an eye on this area, and then a lot more support down here just below 34. That is the quarterly PL dot and the monthly envelope bottom. So again, a little bit of weakness in the near term on silver, and longer term, what's the monthly chart telling us? It's throwing an oncoming up here for next month, up above 40, 42. So the trend is still intact with silver as far as we know, and we're just looking at some near-term weakness. Call it maybe a little congestion after that big move up. With gold, we see weekly congestion going on now for a number of weeks, and nice move up on Friday. We've closed right at the PL dot, or just below that, and just below that, this is the monthly PL dot. So we're expecting gold to continue to push up next week. How high is it going to go? Well, let's see if we can figure that out. Let me move over here to the daily chart, and we've got a daily PL dot coming in on Monday, and then there's the monthly PL dot, and the weekly PL dot's going to come in right around where price is set to open on Sunday. So if you've been doing this for a little while, we know that's called a triple dot push. So we have 3 different time periods of PL dot pushing this market up, and first targets are going to be up here where the weekly envelope top and the monthly envelope top. So that's going to be the target area for next week. Should we get through that, then we can expect prices to continue higher. The monthly oncomings are way up here around 3,800. So gold's long-term trend is intact. It's been in consolidation. Is it breaking out of consolidation, or is it going to chop sideways a little bit longer? And we'll have to wait and see. One other thing to note on the weekly chart is there is going to be a weekly 5-9 down up there just below 3,500. So we'll see if that comes into play, and it's a little, it makes up this area between the monthly PL dot, or I'm sorry, the monthly envelope top and the weekly envelope top, and a weekly 5-9 down. So that's the target area because there's a lot of resistance up there. That's it for this update. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, please let me know, and we'll see you next time.